This is an arts and crafts oak fireplace table I designed and constructed. The plans for this table are available here on Fine Woodworking digital plans. The height of the table is only 14.5 inches, but I thought it might be possible to convert into a small dining table. I drew a guideline about 15 inches above the existing top surface. This gives me a reference for the height of the dining table, about 29.5 inches. You'll notice that when I click, the whole assembly is selected. This is a result of my making the assembly an overall component. I'll open it for edit and select the top assembly component, and with the move tool I'll shift the top up to the guide point. The current diameter is 44.5 inches, and I want this to be bigger, say 48 inches, for comfortable sitting for 4 people. Draw a guide point that indicates the 24-inch radius. Then open up the assembly for edit. Select the top assembly and pick the scale tool. Grab the center grip, then hold down the Control key, option on the Mac, and also hold the Shift key. These two together make the scaling uniform and also centered. This scaling does affect the diameter of the attachment plugs covering wood screws. It also changes the spline lengths. These can be easily adjusted later. Now to delete that guide point. The framework needs to be moved up to the new location of the top. Select the 2 pieces, and with the move tool shift it up to fit against the bottom surface of the top. Also, the post length requires adjustment. Edit the component, then draw a select box around the upper joinery. Then move up to the new location. The feet and upper rails can be lengthened to accommodate the new diameter of the top. I decide to leave the posts at the current location and extend only the tapered end of the feet. To do this accurately, I set the screen to a front view and set camera to parallel projection, then turn on X-ray. Draw a select box around the tapered end, making sure not to include the mortise. Then with the move tool, extend the length 2 inches. Move over to the other end of the foot and extend it also. The upper rails also need lengthening using this same process. There will be some adjustment for the individual planks glued up to make the top. I'll make them new components based on their new widths and lengths. But here's a look at the new dining table.